What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video here. This one is going to be on the F30. So in this video I'm going to be cleaning the wheels that are on the F30, the M Sport wheels, as they are very dirty. As you can see here, they're extremely dirty. They have caked on brake dust, road debris, and just a bunch of dirt. And it looks really gross. It looks like they haven't been cleaned in, I don't even know, maybe a few months, a year. But every single wheel on here is like that. The one here, two in the front, and then in the back here, nothing but brake dust. Same with this side. So to clean my wheels, I'm going to be using some Sonax Wheel Cleaner. Some of you guys may have heard of this, but it's really good at getting off all that brake dust and caked on dirt. And then I'm going to be using this little wheel brush cleaner to get in between the crevices. So yeah. So I sprayed some on, and if you don't know, this thing has this spray, this Sonax Wheel Cleaner has a very strong chemical smell. Just be aware of that. And you can actually see it's reacting with the iron, and it's turning like a purple reddish color, a dark red purple color. So that should let you know it's working. Let it sit there for a few minutes. It's already taken off quite a bit of dirt and brake dust just from the spray. So as you can see, the wheel is a lot cleaner. That Sonax Wheel Cleaner really does work. There are still some parts where it's like kind of just really maybe like dried on there. And it just won't come off no matter how much I scrub it. But majority of the wheel is clean, so it's not that big a deal for me. Wow, so I didn't even scrub anything and this stuff just came right off. A good chunk of it just came right off without even needing to scrub it. So this is about the cleanest I could get it. I mean, it did take off like a large amount of that brake dust and dirt, so it definitely did something. I don't know, just some parts are just really caked on there. And they don't want to come off, and I don't want to use all the Sonax just for one wheel, so just gotta save some of it. Here's a comparison of what it looked like before. I haven't cleaned this wheel yet. You can see all that. And then here it's nice and clean, pretty much. Alright guys, so I cleaned all 4 wheels and I put them back on the car, and boy did it make a difference. You can actually see the nice shine that these alloy wheels have, but was covered by all that brake dust, so it looks excellent. It just looks much better. Nice and clean. I'm actually thinking of keeping these wheels for the most part, because I actually like these wheels. Before I may get some aftermarket wheels. Actually, I probably will, but not till way later down the road. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. So if you're interested in that wheel cleaner that I use, the Sonax Wheel Cleaner, I'll definitely link that down below. It does work as you saw, so if your wheels need cleaning, definitely recommend that. And as usual, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment those down below. But anyway guys, I will see you on the next one.